when we start?
Just a second. Okay, great. Okay, just want to make sure she's different. Yeah, okay, let's give our next presenter a pretty warm round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Beth, and today I'm going to introduce about carbon emission trading. Before we start, let's talk about global warming first. What is global warming? Global warming means that the temperature of the Earth is rising. And global warming is an important environmental problem because it can have a huge impact on both our lives and our descendants' lives. It can also cause climate change and natural disasters. So I would like to introduce a music video about natural disasters. And it's not working, so it's about Billie Eilish's song. And in this video, she sings about a huge fire in California and asks why God should save us if we are the ones who ruin where we live. And as she said, I think we should first do things to solve the problem and then ask for God for our salvation. So one good solution for our solving problem of global warming is carbon emission trading. Then, what is carbon emission trading? Carbon emission trading is a very effective system, which means that if a company if a company has an allocation, and if a company emits less carbon emission than its allocation, then they can sell the reduced amount of carbon to other company or maybe even countries. And the opposite way is also possible. They can buy it from them. And now let's talk about the benefits of carbon emission trading. What is the benefit of carbon emission trading? First of all, because they set the goal, they can have an effective reduction of carbon emission. Also, to reduce carbon emission, companies can hire people and they can make jobs. It is the creation of jobs. It looks like it's really a good solution, but there are still problems remaining. So let's talk about the problems remaining and the solution related to my major, which is international studies and political science. At first, we would like to look at from the aspect of global aspect, and the problem is that there are only small size if we are only focused on the domestic in one country. So, to solve that problem, we should extend the carbon emission market from domestic market to international market. Also, at the aspect of Korea, there is a problem that Korea doesn't have the duty to reduce carbon emission according to Kyoto Protocol or Paris Agreement. That means we are not classified as a developed country in the environmental aspect. So we should claim that Korea has our duty and has even a power to do that. So this comes to end of my presentation. And before I end my presentation, I would like to introduce a saying. One who wants to wear the crown, wear the crown. I'm sure you have heard about it. And it means that we should take not only rights, but also responsibilities. So to live in a livable place, we should protect the environment. To be called as a developed country, we should do the duty. Thank you for listening.